Here's our baby girl, all back from surgery. She's licking too much. She's got to have a cone on her head. She doesn't like it. Bella, come here, girl. Come here, Bella. Bella.
Bella.
She refuses to move with that thing on her head.
Come here, Bella.
Hey, get out of the way. Out of the way. Bella. Come here, baby. Bella, come here. It's so sad to look at her like that.
Bella.
She won't even look at us.